and Asha ma'am, please come on the stage and take over the mic. Please come on the stage.
अच्छे बुरे की तुमको खबर दे के जाऊंगी, अच्छे बुरे की तुमको खबर दे के जाऊंगी, चेहरे को पढ़ने वाली नजर दे के जाऊंगी। यारो मैं इस जमाने की संग तराश हूँ, यारो मैं इस जमाने की संग तराश हूँ, पत्थर को बोलने का हुनर दे के जाऊंगी।
Our stage is all set for another incredible performance. So please welcome Shama from Standard 7. Come on the stage for your speech.
Shama from Standard 7, please come on the stage for your speech.
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अम्मा बाद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Good evening, teachers and fellow students. I am Shama Ansari from Standard 7. Today I would like to express my views on self-confidence. It's like a self. It's about having growth in our skill and talent, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Willing to take risks to try our self-confidence. Ultimately determine our success. बुक्स वो हसद की आग को दिल से निकाल दे, बुक्स वो हसद की आग को दिल से निकाल दे, बन जा वो आदमी के जमाना मिसाल दे. It's completely fine if you are not aware of the meaning of self-confidence. If believe in yourself and know that are capable of achieving something, you are a self-confident person. Self-confidence is about having growth in our skill and talents, even when faced or setback. Even when faced or setback. Our self-confidence. Self-confidence is like a self. And now that are capable of achieving something, you are a self. Give to and we have confidence in about having growth, in about having growth, willing to take this try of our comfort zone, we become resilient. In the face of fire waving, what as an opportunity from growth. तूफानों से आंख मिलाओ, सैलाबों पर वार करो, मल्लाहों का चक्कर छोड़ो, तैर के दरिया पार करो. थैंक यू.
ऑडियंस क्लैप फॉर शमा. बच्ची ने इंग्लिश में स्पीच तैयार की है. उसने याद की है 2 पेज की स्पीच थी. ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, इतना आसान नहीं है. Very nice, Shama. Your words always inspire and encourage us to dream by and never stop chasing them. Thank you, everyone.
I invite event in charge Gulista ma'am, please come on the stage to distribute gifts and दुआओं में मेरी खुदाया असर दे, उसके लिए भी हम आवाज देना चाहेंगे. इवेंट इन चार्ज अलीशा मैम, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द गिफ्ट.
Clap everyone for Shama Ansari.
Clap.
दुआ की इंचार्ज टीचर अलीशा मैम स्टूडेंट्स को गिफ्ट से दें. क्लैप ऑडियंस.
Prakash sir, I request you please come on the stage and distribute the gift, please.
I would like to call Mahira and Saira and Mahnur. Saira and Mahnur for next event announcement. Nasheed, come on the dice.